Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you my live trade what I did, and I'll be showing you me and my client screenshot of profit what we're able to book today, and also we'll be telling you how you guys can make consistent profit like this, and also we'll be doing a live market analysis. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, as you can see, the time is almost like 9:01 and the market is just opened. I mean, the pre-open market session is now opened, and as you guys can see, market is almost 1% up. Okay, in the pre-open market itself is almost 1% up. So maybe you can see a gap up opening after the pre-open market is closed. Okay, and coming to the indices which are in event are PSU Bank, Nifty Reality, Nifty Pharma, FMGC, Bank, IT. So these are the indices which are having in event. Okay, so pre-open market is still going on. So once the pre-open market is closed, we'll see where the market will open and on what stock I can trade today. So I'll be showing you my live trading and everything. So we'll see how the trades goes today. So as you guys can see, the pre-open market is now closed and the market is in 0.55% up now. Okay, and advances are 48 and declines are only one stock, and unchanged is only one stock. That is, lot of stocks are in a gap up, that is in an uptrend movement today. So the most uptrend stocks right now, the stocks which are gap opening on the pre-open market, are Axis Bank and Infratel. So Axis Bank is almost like 2.3% up in the pre-open itself, and Infratel is like 1.93% up. And coming to the stock which opened gap down, that is in a downtrend, is a Power Grid as of now, and one stock which is unchanged is HCL Tech. Okay, so let's see when the market opens how the market will perform today and on what stock I can trade. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. If you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you my live trade what I did today. So guys, right now the time is around 9:25 and we have decided to trade on Sun Pharma as of now. So we'll see on what rate will I buy or sell Sun Pharma. So the levels have not yet been decided. So we'll see once the level comes. I shall update you guys where I'll be buying or selling the stock. We have decided to short sell on Sun Pharma. So we'll see how far this stock will go down. Okay, so we are in a short sell of Sun Pharma right now. So guys, we are in a sell side of Sun Pharma right now, so we'll see how far this stock will fall down. Okay, so I'm expecting to fall around 530. So if that will reach, my target will be achieved. So 522.55 as of now, 532.55, sorry. So uh, 532 low has been made as of now, so waiting for it to go near 530. So if it's going around 530, then my target will be achieved. And also this was the call what was given to my clients also today for the trading. So we'll see how the Sun Pharma will perform. So even though if the market is 1% up, so this stock trend is down. Yes, 530.80 as you guys can see now, 530.55, 530.60. So if it touches this line, my target will be done. So almost the target is achieved on the Sun Pharma now. So guys, the target of Sun Pharma was achieved. Okay, so the sell side what I took on Sun Pharma, the target was achieved on the sell side. So as you guys know, the market was on the upper trend even though the stock kept falling down. So we'll see if I take any other trades, I shall update you. So guys, these are the client screenshot of profit what they have shared with me. So we trade on Sun Pharma. So 1625 rupees profit, 6313 rupees profit, 1400 rupees profit, and 2800 rupees profit. So these are the profit what we're able to book today in today's trade of Sun Pharma. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So guys, now as you guys can see, the Nifty 50 has come down. Okay, so morning it was 1% up and now it's 0.30%. So market has come down gradually today after the afternoon. So it's fine anyway. We did one trade and I was planning to take another trade, but the market trend changed, so I thought okay, it's not safe to trade. So guys, as you can see, we trade without using any of the indicators. Okay, so these are the unique strategies, and if you guys wish to learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this and want to learn all the strategies and want to learn how to pick the stocks like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.